Most people think sleep is just rest. You close your eyes, you wake up, and life continues. But what happens between those hours matters more than most people will ever realize, because the habits you repeat every night are either rebuilding your brain or quietly destroying it. Here are 5 night habits that psychology and neuroscience say are doing serious damage. Habit 1. Scrolling until you fall asleep. It feels harmless, just a few more minutes, but your brain doesn't see it that way. Every notification, every video, every scroll triggers a small dopamine hit, and dopamine tells your brain, stay awake, something exciting might happen. At the same time, the blue light from your screen blocks melatonin production, the chemical your brain needs to enter deep sleep. No deep sleep means no memory consolidation, no emotional processing, no brain repair. You wake up tired, not because you didn't sleep enough, because your brain never actually rested. Habit 2. Eating late at night. Your brain has a cleaning cycle. It runs while you sleep, flushing out toxic waste that builds up during the day. But when you eat late, your body redirects energy to digestion. Instead of that cleaning process, the waste stays, and over time, that buildup is directly linked to brain fog, memory loss, and slower thinking. The last meal of your day is setting the conditions for how sharp your mind will be tomorrow. Habit 3. Sleeping with your phone next to you. Even when you're not using it, your brain knows it's there. Every buzz, every notification light, every background sound pulls your brain out of deep sleep without you even waking up fully. Psychology calls this sleep fragmentation. And fragmented sleep does almost as much damage as no sleep at all. Your brain needs long, uninterrupted cycles to do its deepest repair work. Every interruption cuts that cycle short. Night after night, the damage quietly compounds. Habit 4. Replaying the day in your head. You said the wrong thing in a meeting. Someone looked at you strangely. A conversation didn't go the way you planned. And now at midnight, your brain is running it all again and again. Psychology calls this rumination, and it is one of the most destructive things you can do to your brain at night, because rumination keeps cortisol, your stress hormone, elevated. And high cortisol at night directly damages the hippocampus, the part of your brain responsible for memory and learning. Every night you spend overthinking, you are literally shrinking the most important part of your mind. Habit 5. Irregular sleep times. Monday, midnight. Tuesday, 10 p.m. Wednesday, 2 a.m. It feels like you're getting enough sleep overall, but your brain doesn't work that way. It runs on a biological clock called the circadian rhythm, and that clock controls everything: hormone release, memory storage, emotional regulation, cognitive sharpness. When you keep changing your sleep time, you throw that clock into chaos. Research shows irregular sleep patterns produce the same cognitive impairment as staying awake for 24 hours straight. Consistency isn't just discipline, it is brain protection. Final thoughts. You don't ruin your brain all at once. It happens slowly. One late night scroll at a time. One missed deep sleep cycle at a time. One rumination spiral at a time. But the same way these habits break you down, breaking them builds you back up. Your brain is not fragile. It is incredibly adaptive. Give it the right conditions at night, and it will reward you every single morning. If this opened your eyes, drop a comment below, and subscribe to Blue Mind for more psychology truths like this.